had to do a lot of work. The family stuff, like had to take care of a lot of stuff, maintenance and all that. Oh man. So first time sitting in front of the computer and Mac. Today I actually didn't feel like it. I actually feel like sleeping, but the show must go on. It's not about how I feel. It's about if I show up. So I'm doing that to the best of my ability. Right, so I was trying to do something. Wait, hold on. Copy projects, Bundai source, utility. From there, yeah, copy that to here, man. Yeah, and then run it. Let's see what's in there. New verbs.js. I've got like roughly 300 verbs in here, but I feel they're a bit complex for like to learn. Hanasu, yeah. Manabu, sorry, Manabu. Manabu, right? Manabu, to learn. We've learned this, like this one kanji and then you add something to it. We have seen it all over Wanikani, at least in the first 10 levels. We see this, right? So, but then in the end of it, like, these ones are a bit too big. Like, but I think like Hakken Sarata, Hakken Suru, right? We've been discovered. I've seen this sentence. I've seen this sentence in Shingeki no Kyojin when like someone's like Hakken Sarata, like someone have been found. The like what is his name? The Rainer, when they found Rainer, they're like Hakken Sarada, right? So it's pretty well used in the anime world to discover, to find out, and it's not as complex. Like it's Hakken Suru to find out. So Suru you're not gonna see. The main important part is this Hakken, right? Discover and the see, these two, and when you combine these two kanjis, they become like Hakken Suru. So I'm kind of like, what is this? New verbs. Yeah. Let's run it. So I'm kind of like trying to decide, like whenever you have doubt, replace that doubt with data, right? And I'm like, okay, 294 verbs, cool. And if I tally it with a dictionary, right? If I tally it with a dictionary, and we run this kanji level counter, and we put these words through the dictionary, and we say, okay, in the dictionary there are 0 level 5 verbs, which is I kind of find suspicious, but it has given us like 100 level 4 and 181 for level 3, 780 verbs for level 2, like N2, and the 1200 for. I think it has like 13,000 words, like kanjis, this dictionary. Total verbs like 500, but that's then I'm like 573 verbs, but then why are all these, like, how come these are verbs? So I think what I'm countering through the app, it might not be right? That's something I'm kind of worried about. So I think we have another one, another script that we did. Kanji level counter in XML. Be cut radicals. What's that? Cut radicals. So That's not what it is. So I'm kind of worried. Should I like put them all? We have like roughly around 300, 294 verbs, so roughly 300 verbs. I think that's enough in terms of the verbs and stuff. Um, by the way, we have done this. I think we have right now, so none of it won't be cluttered anymore. So we have kept. This was pretty good. This helped me really well to keep like the 8 words based on the familiarity. So it kept the ones that are like looks most similar, right? Those 5 ones that looks most similar. I've kept like 8 used in, but like kept only 5 similar kanjis, because most of the time, like let's say if you take this one, there's only so many kanjis that look similar, and if you're not confused looking at like, yo, it kind of looks similar, right? If you're not confused, then if you look at one of these kanjis in this list and go like, yo, you know what, come on, man, I mean, that doesn't look anything like it. If it is like that, then I don't think it works, right? So what's next, man? What's next? So we've got like generate 1,000 words. We're like in there. We've done like 700, 300, and yeah, we're like 900. We have done like 900 words. We have done, right? We have done like 900 words. My goal is to have like a quick 1,000 words that you can learn and then learn very quickly. Like learn this 1,000 words without even learning the whole language and whatnot, or even hiragana. Like, but you should learn hiragana first, obviously, and then like learn these first. These are like super simple, right? Learn these first, and then get into that. But if you don't learn hiragana anyway, you should be able to like learn this from Romaji. So that's something I want to add, Romaji. So let's take help of, what's this? And yeah, let's not keep it. Yeah, don't have new words only in verbs JSON, find verbs levels, right? So I verbs node find verbs levels, yeah. So I ran this and it gave me like all 0, so I think it was wrong anyway. Oh, probably because what's his name? New verb.js. It's because we're using meanings in here. We can't be using meanings. We use kanji name. If you do that, and then write new verbs word only. If you do that, node new verbs, and yeah, and then see new verbs word only. Boom, we've got that. Right, we've got that. No root to write, I think, isn't it? To be heavy. Why go to their app? We already have our own app. Shupatsuru. Shupanya. They have like, I love that dialects. I always love dialects. Like there's some English dialects, so much fun, like Southern dialects and all that. Southern dialects. Though it doesn't feel like villagey-ish to me. It feels like American Southern dialect feels like these guys are like damn honest. Most of the time, I think that's what attracts me to dialects. Like, kenno maji yareba wakaru. You'll understand when you cross swords with me. Maji yareba. When you cross swords, so maji yaru, majiru, two. What's this? To give, to provide, right? So, to climb, right? Noboru. Noboru. I want to add like Romaji to it, so it'll be too many of them though. Uh, can you make me a script that goes through the dick, XML dick, and finds associated, like, what do you call that, Romaji for me? The problem with this is like when I ask it to give me a node script, and he doesn't have to, like the LLM doesn't have to do the, yeah, so if you're in file utility, find Romaji jazz, and let's install this in here. Yeah, put it in find Romaji. Can you guys see? Find Romaji, accept it, right? Accept it. So kanji.xml, XML. Where are you getting your file from? Where's verbs.json? Verbs.json. Where are you getting your? What's this? Loads and process for each kanji character. Oh. No. You'll have to load like my own files. Verbs.json, and then yeah, you'll have to load the verbs.json and then get the kanji name from there, and then parse it using the kanji.xml. Actually, I don't like, I accidentally pressed enter and it went out. I don't know if, it doesn't look like it understands. And then use the kanji name profile and use the list of kanjis present there, and find each associated kanji's Romaji. Associate. I think it's new verbs. Words new. New verbs, word only. Yeah. Right. Do that. Load kanji. Kanji list. Where's the kanji list, man? Yeah, load kanji. Yeah, it's not text though. It's a JSON file though. Load a JSON. Yeah, it's a JSON file, so load a JSON. Is it possible to get like Claude locally? Like Claude 3.5 with Olama, is it even possible? Free Claude, is it free? Zeddo, Eider, DeepSeek. Yeah, Claude 3.5. Can we like download it? It's like the model is not open source. No shit. No, right? Of course it's not open source. It's not. You crazy? Like, no one's gonna open source this. But then if like llamas and everyone, they win. Let's read it a little bit. New verbs, word only. Yeah, that's your list. right now, yeah, let's do that. What's the find Romaji? Find Romaji. Let's see what happened. Whoa, 294. All Romaji here, dude. It's not Romaji. What's that? I wanted the English pronunciation of Japanese text. For example, iku is for going. For the furigana, suru, and the kanji is which means to go. Eh? Swimming করি এটা আমার হাত দেখা যায় My daughter is wondering why the keyboards are on top of my head. I love it. Japanese. Yeah. I feel like handling the, like, I think we're very nearly done in terms of I didn't. It gave me this. I actually want this. Suru is Suru, Iku, Kuru, Miru, you to tell. Is that Romaji? Or is it Furigana? I don't know. Oh, nice. If that's the case, then we don't need to, like, if we have our own our own list, then we can just use our own furigana, the own list of furigana, right? Because if we have, like, if we are doing this anyway, if we are doing like na is na, ni is ni, no, ne, no, if we're doing that, then we could just make it happen ourselves because we have the list, right? Right. Oh, sorry. If you have only without looking into the XML. Yeah, I think that's right. Let's just do that. Um, Load verbs list, and we need to make it like easy for us. Okay, because we already have our own list of um, new verbs and not kanji name. We're gonna get like furigana. What are you calling? No. Verbs JSON. Hiragana. We're calling them hiragana. Okay. New verbs. Not word, like furigana. Node. New verbs. Yeah. New verbs, furigana. And then you, Mr. You, Mr. Do this. Yeah. New verbs, word only. Yeah. New verbs, furigana.json. Right. Let's just console log and see find Romaji. Node find Romaji. Furigana list.json. Oh, verbs list, new verbs furigana. Oh man, you didn't give me this. Use this. And then load the and then make Romaji. Yeah, just loading like two of them, there's no reason. Yeah. Add it to find Romaji. Yeah. Nice. Suru. In a JSON. Oh, what was this trying to do, by the way? Yo, you know, So I think the ChatGPT was right. Use this, then load the main verbs JSON, which has full objects. Then load its hiragana. Map through each object. Use the hiragana to romaji. Is it object? Object, and add a new field to each object called romaji. Yeah, let's get it at once instead of doing it in 2 or 3 different. Actually, I could have just asked it, but normally, like, they're like, I don't wanna, like, they're lazy when you ask them to do like large chunks of computation, probably because they don't want to be like computation heavy. They don't want to do that. Load verbs JSON. Yeah, but this add hiragana actually. This will be verb.furigana, not verb.furigana, but like verb.hiragana. Yeah, man. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, man. Fingers crossed. Node. Find romaji. Yeah. Verbs with romaji. Yeah. Where is the romaji? Suru. Added it. Kangaero. Kangaero. To think. Kangaero. Yeah, let's copy these verbs with romaji to projects, bundai, source utility, verbs.json. Yeah. And now you gotta JLPT array image imports noun symbols verb JSON. Romaji, right? Where's that? Kanji details, is it? Kanji details. What? No words? Oh, word. Is word. Okay. Romaji. Masako. Kurustanoka. What is it? Romaji. How you say it? First, JSON. Romaji. Okay. Romaji. It's not Romaji. It's Romaji. No, it doesn't exist. No. Sorry, it does exist now. We can't have it like that. We have to have smaller one. Small word kanji, hiragana. What's inside the pills though? Subtitle text. Kuru. Miru. See. Yeah. Come here. Yo, what's this? What's this? Nothing? Calling my little daughter. Asha, क्यों देख ले क्यों क्यों देखे हो ना Asha? No, no. Having some fun with my kid. They love the idea of streaming. So imagine them kids growing up and just seeing streaming, and they will be streaming from very young age, I guess. They won't be like camera shy or nothing. Like I'm not camera shy, probably because I have a screw loose. Kiku. You. Tanomi ga aru. Naru. Taberu. Nomu. Very cool. Added romaji to verbs. We're becoming very, very close. And I wanna give people the opportunity later on to like save their own one and like love it. Something is done. Wonder if I should do the same with nouns, because we have like 350 nouns. Ito. Yeah, we should do the same. But this time, let's go to file utility. Find romaji. Okay. We may not have nouns. So it's like feel like a little bit of Twitter. A little bit of Twitter. I shouldn't be doing it because when I start up Twitter, that's exactly how I feel. Everyone's like making money, and watching it live. That's just sending a screenshot. The screenshot was done in the wrong time. Copy. From a live. To obsess. Shit posting. I love how Raphael is utilizing all this. We're all gonna make it. Eric. Eric is cool, man. Eric is cool. All right, let's get back at it. Nouns, JSON. What do we call nouns, JSON? Yes, yeah. Actually, we could do it from here. Not this. Do you have nouns, JSONs? I wonder if this is the right list. I don't know. Don't want to take any chances, to be honest. Copy it from mother directory anyway. Source utility nouns. I'm like, someone's gonna come and tell me, someone who's way better than me is gonna come and tell me like, yo, you know what, this all the stuff you're doing, like manipulating this data, you didn't have to do it. This is available already as JSON. Someone has already done the work. And I'll be like, damn. I should. Oh my days. But so node find Romaji. Bayaka. Nouns. Find Romaji. Nouns JSON. Okay. Verbs with JSON Romaji. That's literally actually nouns with Romaji. Okay. Oh wait, what? Yeah. So copy that verbs with Romaji and then push it to projects, Bundai, source, utility, nouns, JSON. But yeah. Shigoto. Gakko. Basho. It's not really that rice. Basho yo. I think we made some mistake. It's easy to fix, right? What's going on? Okay. It's easy to fix, like find Romaji. You need to add those kind of stuff, those kind of in here, in there. Yeah, like it doesn't have those ones. Let me see if that is right. Yo. Okay. Now if we run that, let's run it. Round with Roma G2. Am I a good programmer? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I know I can make something like levels. Like levels can make something, I can make something. But I haven't done what he has done. And I'm not going to do what he is doing because I'm me and he's him. Right? But I want to make this language app so bad that I'm doing it in my 5 to 9. After my 9 to 5, I'm doing it in my 9 to 5. So, is this gonna make money? I don't know. I'll be super happy if it does. If it can make even like just 2 grand, which is my freedom number. Even that's not really 1.5 grand. It's my freedom number. Okay, 1.5, like $2,000 is my freedom number. And I'll be happy. I'll do it full time if it can make that. CP nouns with Romanji projects. Bondi source utility. Nouns JSON. So now, jikan, shigoto, gakko, bashi, band nouns with Romaji. Why is not kono basho? It does have it. The hiragana to Romaji does look right. Why then it can't like what? What's happening with my writing? Something is wrong, definitely. It gave me yeah, why not? I could actually do it like by hand, but okay. That's not gonna do it. Do you know what I mean? It's not gonna do it. Cause, cause now see if it has done it. Whoa. My goodness, it has done it. Jeez. I mean, damn. Well, what? So now, if you go hito jikan shigoto gakko basho, kono basho, chanto basho to, jikan to oboeteru na, Eren. I mean, why do I remember like random damn lines from animes, man? Tomura Shigaraki. Nice. So let's do the verbs again. Find Romachi. Copy verbs. Then let's go check out verbs. Kiku. You. Tanomi ga aru. Oni o naro. Kyojiro. I mean, why do I is it only me, or like does this product have like a feature, or like am I the only one who's like who can, as soon as we hear these words, we're like we can immediately get the frame. And I haven't done any kind of like Anki stuff like sentence mining or anything, and I understand why it is so popular, but like as soon as I hear it, I mean I can easily get where it was first. I've first heard it, or like I've heard it the most recently in the anime, right? It's crazy. And instead of this, if I used enemy, I think it would be like better. But I'm not gonna like that's not gonna be. That'll be a feature for sure. That'll be a feature for sure. Hopefully, pretty soon. Added Romaji to nouns plus not master, not bastard. It's like bastard. Okiru, Neru, Shiru, Manabu, Washiero. Why would they use the word Washiero? Ro. What does it mean? Like, is it like commanding or something? Akuru. Now, okay, so we have done like most of it. Probably some of them are wrong. Like some of them are like, we have to get like these bits. We have to get these ones right. Should we go and say hey, 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 and I down? So 350, 650. That's good enough. 650. Right? Nouns and verbs. I've done what I wanted to do. We're getting very close to Kumo, cloud, Kaminari, Kaminari Kuku. Ichigo kata. Who says that? That could be like a nice Shimegiri? Matsuri. Nice. Now what? So we have generated all this. Some of them are good, some of them will have to like redo. I wanna know adjectives, so let's add kanji details. Kanji templates. Adjective. Adverbs. Are there more adverbs or adjectives? So let's check it out. Okay, already there. So adverbs 171 and adjectives 72. So altogether, how many we have? 350. Let's say verbs 300, 650, roughly 200 adverbs, 850, and we need like 70 more adjectives. Okay, cool. Do we have adjectives here? Cool, we do have adjectives. Can you add 70 more adjectives there? Let's. How many we have though? That's like. Let's just see what we have. Find Romaji. Adjectives. Adjectives with the Romaji. Node. Find Romaji. Adjectives with Romaji. Akai. Move adjectives with Romaji to adjective. Remove adjectives. I forget. Do the same with adverbs as well. Find Romaji. Adjectives, right? Adverbs. Adverbs. rename them. What happened? Find Roma G. There's no reason to like change thing here. Verb dot hiragana. Nice that it didn't happen. Adverbs with Romaji. Let's see for adjective with Romaji. Actual adjective JSON is there with Romaji. We can copy adjective JSON already. Projects, Bunda source utility, adjectives with JSON. See if, yeah. Okay, nice. No, no. Find Romaji. Find Romaji. Okay, we made a mistake. Done. And first, Romaji, yeah, ima. Raina, yarundana, ima, kokode. How many times you've seen that, man? I just keep playing it. While I work, I keep playing it. The same thing on the loop. I don't listen to music. I listen to that. I think that's why I know where all these words are coming from. Ima. Right. So now, oh no, not that. So I'm gonna ask him, can you add 100 more adjectives to this file? Make sure to use adjectives that are high on frequency list. If someone were to first 100 to 200 adjectives, they should be the ones. Don't provide the ones that are already in the list. So I'm letting it do all the work by providing him with the Romaji and stuff. It understood it perfectly and it says it. 100 more frequently used adjectives to the list, focusing on those that will be important for learners to know early on, and that will not include any of the adjectives that are already in the existing list, which is cool. It is It is not like adding the Romaji though. That's cool. That's cool. Right now, yarundana. Ima, koko de. Oh. Byoin. Byoki no. Byoin hospital, right? So bio sickness. Yes. Is it done? We done? I think I wrote a script where, like, to see if they already exist. But I'm not gonna bother right now. Let's put it in here. It is adjectives or adverbs? Adjectives. Raina. Yarundana. Ima, koko de. So the last one of it is this one. Quiz answers. Right. Okay. Oh. Why are you? What's the issue? Oh, that's the issue. Okay, cool. Now copy and pesto. Oi, oi. Vim adjective. How many we had before? 172, right? So find Romaji. Adjectives. Adjectives with Romaji. Note find Romaji. 138. So we're 72. That is 28. 72 is 28. 200 and then 38. It's like $40 and 26. 66. It has given us like 66, like 70, roughly 70 more. 150. Okay. Don't tell me you gave like Kuroi Shiroi, because we had them in the beginning. Okay. Holy shit. Back. Kuroi Samui. Kantan. 確かに Super. I think adjectives. I'm gonna add way more adjectives. I'm gonna add way more because I think adjectives are fun. Adjectives are fun. Nice. Suremas. I love it. Copy adjectives with Romaji. Two. Adjectives. Let's go and check it out. So adjectives 138 already. Boy, what? Oh yeah, because it was on that page, and we saved it already, and it re-rendered it. So it did the console logs before even I went there. So adject is 138. Nice. So altogether how many? 350, 300, 650, 150, 700, 800, 900. So roughly 1,000. Roughly 1,000, right? Roughly 1,000 words. Now, what is left is, we don't need that verse. What is left is add adverbs and adjectives too. Plus, we added the Romaji. Nice, a lot of work done. I think we're gonna end it today over here, right? We've covered some ground. We need now is pictures for these adjectives, which is super difficult to generate. And then we're gonna have some adverbs like mother yet. How are you gonna show it in a picture? It's very difficult. So that's one thing. But before we do that, I think we can cover some other ones. So only the pictures are left for these two adjectives and adverbs. We've done the similars. You can type in the meaning and it shows you only the meaning. You can type using hiragana and it'll show you the hiragana stuff. So similars is done. Quiz. Play is, we can upload without even the play stuff for now. We can upload it without the play stuff, but it'll be nice. And then clipping pictures, and then what does it mean? That is another one. But that's another feature we don't have to have right now. These features needs to be complete. How to do them in quiz, that's one thing. But I think my eyes will need to be in. So regenerate, that's almost done. We're near 1,000 right now. Alright. Strex, Mega, generate 1,000 pictures. We're almost there. Once we are done with it, generate 1,000 audio. That is something we need to do. 1,000 piece of audio. And then once we have that, we can do make a video. Because just combine all three. Combine the pictures. We have the pictures. Combine the hiragana words. We already have that. And combine the audio. When you have the audio and put it up in the app, then I want to use AI and give it to it. Hey, just generate some audio, video. I wonder if I should do that or if I should let AI generate the video for me too, because it can do it already, as you can see. If you should do that, or like just have like what we had, because I'm trying to generate the previous stuff that we used to have before AI, but AI can do a lot more. So should we combine that? After that, mega cool extracts. That's I think then we can start, and then after that we're gonna have Strex game, and then voice AI. We're gonna have loading animation. But brothers, just like Mikaku, we're coming, man. Hiragana words. This is done. This is being done. This is being done, man. Oh, this is being done. Bugs, we'll see it. Might be. We're almost done. We're gonna have like, and then like AI stories. That has to be there. Yeah. Very cool. All right, man.